David Lawerence Center has changed the lives of 9,000 Southwest Floridians by addressing mental health. On Thursday, they held the 56th annual Sound Minds Gala, and their keynote speaker this year is the iconic supermodel Brooke Shields.
Gulf Shore life, culture, and arts reporter Jacqueline Kissick spoke with a man who says the David Lawerence Center saved his life.
The David Lawerence Center has more than 340,000 life-changing services offered to those in our area. And one of those lives that has been changed has been nearly sober for 13 years.
I don't think I would have a life if I didn't find the David Lawerence Center.
After years of fighting alcoholism, Blake Becker finally felt tired of being tired.
Unfortunately, I was arrested and I was facing, a long jail sentence, and I was back against the wall, almost 30 years old, and I couldn't kick alcohol on my own.
Blake is one of the 9,000 success stories from the David Lawerence Center in East Naples, the organization holding their annual Sound Minds Gala to raise awareness about the increasing amount of mental health cases.
There is a huge need in Collier County.
Chairs of the gala, Dr. Amy Quinn and her husband John both acknowledged how the gala is a way to help get rid of the stigma.
Everyone's 1 degree of separation away from a mental health challenge, and so we want to inspire people to acknowledge that.
With 450 people raising their paddles for the auction, one person stood out in the crowd, supermodel Brooke Shields. She shared that her mother battled with alcoholism and herself with postpartum depression. Dr. Quinn says many can relate to Shields' struggle.
It gives people the opportunity to relate to her and then to relate to other people that have experienced challenges.
From Shields to Becker, both on the right path, Becker has 2 simple steps for those who want to follow in similar footsteps.
Don't give up and ask for help.
$1.4 million was raised from tonight's auction. That money will be going towards more mental health services for the area. And for next year's Sound Minds Gala, the keynote speaker and featured guest will be Dennis Quaid. In Naples, Jacqueline Kissick for Gulf Shore Life.